lady's finger kichadi. That is, we call it as benda kichadi in our language. It is made out of curd. The gravy is curd and coconut. Now, let us see how to prepare this lady's finger kichadi. Now, I have sliced here around 15 lady's finger like this. See, you have to slice it like this. Like this. Now, the first step is you have to fry this lady's finger until it turns golden brown. Next item is grinding everything, the rest of the item. For that, I shall show you the ingredients for the same. I have taken little coconut, that is half of half coconut, 2 green chilies, little jeera, that is cumin seed, and salt to taste, plus asafoetida. I have taken 1 bowl of curd. It might not be necessary this much, but I am just taking it, that's all. Only 3/4 portion of this curd is enough for preparing this benda kichadi, that is lady's finger kichadi. Now first we have to fry this item, and the next you have to grind it, all these items together with curd, and finally we'll season it. This also is a very easy recipe as everybody can prepare. If we have tender lady's finger at home. This tender lady's finger is from my own terrace vegetable garden. Now my pan is preheated. Now I am going to fry this bindi, shallow fry. Cookery tips regarding lady's finger is that always wash your lady's finger as a whole. After cutting the lady's finger, don't wash. If you cut and then wash, a secretion will come and everything will be sticky. This I have washed it earlier and then only I cut it. Now we will just fry it. Coconut scrape towards this mixi. Next I am adding this green chilli, this cumin seed, salt to taste, and asafoetida. Now I am adding this curd. If needed, we will add more. Now let us grind it. Now the lady's finger or the bindi has fried to some extent. This is enough for preparing this kichadi. Now let us add toward this mixi grinded masala. No need of cooking and all for this. This is enough. We will just season it. So everybody please try at home at least once and let me have your comments for the same. So nice to be with you. Thank you.